Thank you, Danielle. Our team coverage continues now. Good Samaritans credited with rescuing a woman after her car is swept away. News 2's Stephanie Langston is live in Hermitage. She spoke with Ava Craven, the woman saved, and one of the men who came to her rescue. Steph?
Well, Bob, that mother of three says those Good Samaritans are more like guardian angels. Thanks to them and a fence post that she clinged onto here, Ava Craven is back safely now with her family.
I was swept away almost instantaneously, it felt like, and then started spinning around uncontrollably.
It was dark around 1 o'clock Sunday morning when a teen assisting another stranded motorist helped pry Ava Craven's van door open. With water up to her chest and quickly rising, she grabbed hold of a fence post, screaming for help.
And from our bedroom window, you can see straight down this way, and that's when I noticed Ava's vehicle just floating down the road.
Justin Biltonen raced outside to screams unlike he'd ever heard before.
So I could see her about here from where that yellow post is, about there, hanging onto the post, just screaming.
He starts screaming out to me as I'm screaming bloody murder. I'm swaying back and forth on the fence post and being knocked into it, just trying to head up there, but it was probably the most dangerous direction I could have gone.
Water reached Biltonen's chest as he put his own life at risk, paddling through some spots to pull the mother back to dry land.
I'm just so thankful, that I'm alive.
Craven says she feels as though God blessed her that day with guardian angels.
I thank them for that from the bottom of my heart because I don't know what could have happened, and I truly believe they saved my life.
It's a frightening realization.
If I hadn't looked out the window and come down, I think she would have been gone.
As for that teenage guardian angel, Craven was also able to connect with him. She says there were a lot of hugs. And for the viewers watching out there, she says she cannot express enough how important it is to take flash flood warnings seriously. Reporting live out of Hermitage, Stephanie Langston, News 2.